Thank you, man. 1. Look at the drywall. Living room. Kitchen. Main bedroom. Nice size closet. Oops, I almost fell. Kids' bedroom. Closet. Second kid's bedroom. Closet is here. This is bedroom. And this is the kitchen. Just walking around so you guys can see. This is the wall where the washer, dryer, fridge, and pantry is going to be. Door to the backyard. And the bathroom. This is a step-in shower. Vanities going here. Toilet. Going up to unit 2. Champion's room. So entry here to the other boys' room. Nice size closet again.
So now in the kitchen area, I gave you the green ones. You see why we calculate the way we calculate?
That's all. That's
the weights. Yeah. So if you look at how much, and this is not all. we only, put a few bags out.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So that's the reason why when we calculate drywall, when we calculate insulation, when we calculate flooring, all that stuff, we always calculate the weights. Yeah, look at this. We gotta calculate that stuff because that's usually how it goes. It goes like that with everything.
Yeah.
Wood. I like high ceilings, man.
Yeah, nice, definitely. I was even pleasantly surprised with the basement. They not high, but they kind of clear more than I thought. You know what I mean? Like up to like 6'2".
No, because you don't remember. I don't know if you remember, but there was some wood that they had
That was hanging down.
No, yeah, there was a wood that they had on top of the joist that they used for the drywall. So what we did, we took them off and we put them on the joist.
Girls' room.
I don't know why a lot of people do that. I think they do it because of the pipes.
Oh.
But I think it was I centralized the pipes in the middle. And then the other ones I put them through the joist.
Got it.
So we can have
A little height. So.
Shyla's room.
Also, he's gonna this stairs. He's gonna finish on beautiful.
They have done the plaster, getting ready for the primer now. They're covering the windows, the doors, the paint. Buenos días. Buenos días. Sí, Their closets is a nice size.
Oh yeah.
Like even for the girls, if we put like a rack, like a bar to hang up top, another bar, and then a little dresser, we could do that too. Mm-hmm. Shyla could do that too if she don't want the dresser in her space. So this would be the girls' room right here. So you see how I was saying the width. So the bed would be tight, and then there's a window right there. So we could do it like this, the bed on this side.
I don't even know if it's 8.
got stairs. What? Look at those stairs.
Go to bed.
This is our unit. Oh, and this is a bonus closet we didn't even know we was gonna get, but we really needed and wanted. This is the two little girls' room. We're gonna give them the bigger one just because they're both sharing, so they should have the bigger space. And this will be the teenagers' room. Little smaller, but cozy. She wants to be minimal anyways, so it'll fit her perfect. This is where our pantry, fridge is going to be. Also washer and dryer right there. Our bathroom. Next video, you're probably gonna see floors in this bathroom. Show you the boys' room. This is the two younger boys' room. So big. Be able to have a little play area. Nice size closet. Then we can walk this way for Champion's room. He also has this exit or entrance, or he can come in through his siblings' room. Nice little cozy space for a teen boy. This was going to be originally a different space, but we decided that he deserved his own space. And then for a space that you've guys only seen a bit of, this is where our main bedroom is going to be. It's actually a nice size.